Hello there, you beautiful people. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. My name is Richard, and welcome to Blasters Emporium, and welcome to part 12 of the unboxing. We've got a bit of a continuity issue. I've got a hat, I've got a hoodie on now. Giddy giddy cooloo. So without further ado, let's look at some more cards. So here we've got. Ah, that's brilliant. Yeah, pull over a bit. Ooh. So we've got, I think it's because the sun's coming down. We've got a Michelangelo Game Master. Push them up there a bit. We've got a Craven's Cat. Yeah, they've got, ooh. Oh, this is not looking good now. They got the Zoomies. Cats with the Zoomies. Next we've got Humble Naturalist. That's got to be the Hobbit. Or something or other, or something similar. Oh, look at that. I think it's because the light's going a bit. So there we go, we've got a humble naturalist. Next on the list, we've got a floriferous vine wall. Things in the way, never mind. Floriferous vine wall. Now we've got a what the flipping heck's going on here? We've got a death bloom gardener. Here we go, we've got a death bloom gardener. We've got another gardener here. He's a little bit nervous. There you go. We've got a nervous gardener. There we go. We've now got a carnivorous canopy. Come on. Here we go. We've got carnivorous canopy. Imagine being eaten alive by a tree. Nasty. Ugh, yucky. Here we go. We've got. They went this way. No, they didn't. They went that way. They went that way. Okay, then so they went that way. Next one up, we've got a yeah, because the sun's moving a bit. We've got we need to move that a little touch, not too much. We've now got a drowsing pteranodon, Crotic nest guard, and last card for this part, we've got a Sultal devotee. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and smash that bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you all in the next one. Ta-ta for now.